शुक्रवार महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन सांगे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आणि मामलेदाराच्या कार्यालयात भेट दिली। सर्वसामान्य मनशांक कशा रितीन बरी सवलत दिवं येता हाचेर उपाय काडपाक मंत्र्यान शुक्रवारा ही भेट घेतल्या। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
As basically we have had a visit to Sange at the deputy collector's office and the Mamlatdar office. The mode is to reach every house, every area, every गांव and पावचे आणि सर्विसेस जाते ते लागी मेळच्यो म्हणून सांग्यार पयलो विजिट केला। Inspected proposed office of the deputy collector and the ISLR office which we propose to open at the earliest. ताज्या खातीर जी सुविधा जाय पडटल्यो, जे कितें प्लॅन जाय पडटले, जे एस्टिमेट जाय पडटले, including refurbishing of the Mamlatdar's office in Sange, that has been looked at. प्रसादाची एक मागणी आशिल्ली की हे जावचें म्हणून, so we have had a visit there. With that we have come to Cape now. Cape we have had a review with the deputy collector to know where the shortages or the shortfalls are, how we need to increase the pendency, decrease the pendency, how we need to change certain norms to have the ease of doing business and simplification of procedures to provide better services to the common man. सर्वसामान्य मनशांचो हो सरकार आणि तांकां पावपाचें जाल्यार महसूल खातें मेन जाता, तातूंत तांचे प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूअस जाय पडटा आनी ताज्या खातीर कितें करपाक जाय, चेंजीस कितें करपाक जाय, इम्प्रूवमेंट्स कितें करपाक जाय, दिस हेज बीन अ कंटिन्यूअस एक्सरसाइज. Collector South has been reviewing this continuously, and as we propose to reach every village, every constituency, we are planning Sange, Cape, we are overlooking what we need to do and improvise the end services to the common man. ह्यो आज सगळे रिव्ह्यूज आज दवरल्या कारण सावथा खातीर सांगे जावं तुजे केपें जावं नाल्यार मडगांव जावं, we are ensuring that this type of systems are adopted at the earliest. ह्यो आज सगळे रिव्ह्यूज आज दवरल्या कारण सावथा खातीर सांगे जावं तुजे केपें जावं नाल्यार मडगांव जावं, we are ensuring that this type of systems are adopted at the earliest. Concepts of citizen service centers need to start, common service centers need to start. Tatun the interface to the government offices is cut off by these centers, which will allow a lot of other allegations which come in from the common public and a transparency of services which can be adopted. हाच्या खातीर कलेक्टर सावंत ताजी टीम आमी सगळे आज विजिट्स दवरिल्ले आसा आनी जे करपा जाय दॅट इनिशिएटिव्स वी हॅव बीन टेकिंग ओनली टू एन्श्युअर द ईज फॉर द कॉमन मॅन. सर्वसामान्य मनशा खातीरूच ज्यो सुविधा जावच्यो पडटल्यो, IT एनेबल सिस्टम ज्यो करच्यो पडटल्यो ताच्या खातीर कितें जाय आनी आमी एडिशनल इनिशिएटिव्स ऑर रिफॉर्म्स कितें घेवपा जाय तें डिस्कशन आज केलां. whether it is regularization of illegal structures, whether it is partition cases, how to further simplify, whether it is conversion issues, whether it is mutation issues. I think every area we need to start expediting it. Although they are doing a good job, we need to further improvise it to give better services to our people.